Have you ever considered how much of your life is consumed by worry? It's a question we rarely ponder, yet it's an issue that affects us all. Worry is an unwanted guest that often sneaks into our minds, uninvited, and settles in. Like a shadow, it follows us around, subtly influencing our thoughts and behaviors. It seeps into our daily lives, tainting our moments of joy with a hint of unease. The effects of worry are not confined to our minds alone. They ripple out, affecting our physical health, causing tension, sleepless nights, and even chronic illnesses. The silent intruder, worry, is not a passing visitor. It has a habit of overstaying its welcome, becoming a constant companion. It feeds on our fears, our uncertainties, and our insecurities. We may not even realize how deeply entrenched it has become until it's woven itself into the fabric of our lives. Worry, it seems, has made a comfortable home in our minds. But did you know? Worrying is not a natural state, but a habit we form over time? Yes, it's true. Worrying, that nagging feeling of unease that keeps us up at night, is actually a habit we've picked up along our journey. Think about it. When we were children, we didn't worry about bills or global politics or what to make for dinner. These concerns, these worries, have been learned over time. We've trained our minds to instantly jump to the worst possible outcome, to stress over factors that are often out of our control. It's like a reflex, an automatic response that's been honed over years and years of practice. But here's the thing. Just as we weren't born with this habit of worrying, we don't have to live with it forever. Habits, as we know, can be broken. It won't be easy, and it won't happen overnight, but it's entirely possible to unlearn this incessant need to worry. Now, why is it important to break this habit? Well, not only does worrying drain us emotionally, but it also serves no productive purpose. Worrying about something doesn't change the outcome. It doesn't solve the problem. All it does is fuel anxiety, stress, and fear, creating a vicious cycle that's hard to break free from. But what if you could rewire your brain to respond differently to stress? What if, instead of automatically jumping to worry, your mind could stay calm, focused, and present in the moment? Imagine how much lighter, how much freer you would feel. So let's take a moment to reflect. Take a deep breath. Release the tension in your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Relax. You're not alone in this. We all worry from time to time. But remember, worrying is not a natural state. It's a habit, and habits can be broken. So the question is, how do we break this habit of worrying? Stay tuned, because in the next scene, we'll explore some powerful techniques that can help you do just that. It's important to note that fear and worry often go hand in hand. You see, worry is like a pesky shadow, following closely behind fear. When we fear the unknown or dread potential negative outcomes, our minds tend to spin a web of constant worry. It's a cycle that can feel never-ending, and it's all too easy to get caught up in. But here's the thing. The power to break this cycle lies within us. It starts with facing our fears head-on. When we confront our fears, we rob them of their power to control our thoughts. Yes, it can be daunting and uncomfortable, but it's a necessary step towards breaking free from the shackles of worry. Remember, it's okay to feel fear. It's a natural human response. But when it leads to constant worry, it's time to take a stand. Facing our fears is the first step towards breaking the worry habit. One powerful tool in our arsenal against worry is meditation. Meditation, my dear friends, holds the power to transform our lives. It's like a secret weapon, a hidden treasure that we all possess but seldom use. When we meditate, we venture into a realm of tranquility where worries melt away and peace reigns. Now you might be wondering, how exactly does meditation help calm the mind? Well, imagine your mind as a stormy sea, with waves of thoughts crashing and colliding. Meditation is like a soothing breeze that calms these choppy waters, bringing stillness and clarity. When we meditate, we simply observe our thoughts without judgment. We acknowledge them, but we don't engage or dwell on them. This practice helps us detach from the incessant chatter of our minds, reducing our tendency to worry. It's like watching a movie, but instead of getting lost in the plot, we simply observe the scenes passing by. The benefits of daily meditation are manifold. Not only does it reduce worry and stress, but it also increases our focus, improves our mood, and enhances our overall well-being. It's like a daily mental cleanse, washing away the dust and grime of worry and negative thoughts. Starting a simple meditation practice is easier than you might think. All you need is a quiet place and a few minutes of your day. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. As you inhale and exhale, let your thoughts come and go without clinging onto them. And voila, you're meditating. Remember, it's not about emptying the mind completely, but rather about observing your thoughts without getting entangled in them. Meditation is like a seed. The more you nurture it with practice, the more it grows, blossoming into a beautiful tree of peace and tranquility. It's a journey, not a destination. So don't be disheartened if you struggle initially. Be patient and persistent, and you'll experience the transformation. By emptying our minds daily, we can let go of worry and embrace peace. With meditation, we can break free from the chains of worry and open the doors to a happier, worry-free life. So why not give it a try? After all, peace of mind is just a breath away. Breaking the worry habit is a journey, not a destination. It's a process that requires time, patience, and persistence. Remember, we weren't born with a worry habit, it's something we've developed over time. That means, with determination and effort, it can be unlearned. Starting today, make a conscious choice to break free from the cycle of worry. When fear and worry knock on your door, greet them with a calm mind. A mind that's been emptied of unnecessary clutter through daily meditation and focus. Don't expect to be worry-free overnight. It's a path filled with trials and triumphs. But remember, each step you take is a step away from worry, and a step closer to a more peaceful, fulfilling life. It's a journey we can embark on together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Your thoughts and experiences are essential to us. Together, we can break the worry habit and live more peaceful, fulfilling lives.